Alrighty guys, we're just going to jump right into a random category here. Furniture is a little bit too big to be ordering overseas. Beauty and health seem to be really good sellers on eBay, so that's pretty interesting. Tattoo stuff. Let's try a tattoo kit, something I know literally nothing about. Let's go with the full kit. Copy it, paste it. Maybe something like that. There you go. That's the same one there. Kit B. 41 is interesting. Oh, it's 109. And they're selling it for 58. Two of them sold, so he has actually made money on this. Super random, strange product. Literally a tattoo gun coming from China. But someone's out there flipping these. So he hasn't made much there. That one's interesting though. So we found that one there for 40. We get him for 22. 28 sold on the same thing, different color. We can actually find that color right there. And people are highly interested. I would say 31 people to be watching an item. It basically means they added it to their watch list or they have it in their cart. 31 people are definitely a good amount of people for one product on eBay. And you can come in here at 34 and still take this market and still make some money per sale here. So definitely a good item. Try to stay in this category maybe. Maybe we can find something cool. And right away we find this one. Slight differences. To find the next thing, we just go down to the recommended, click on something interesting, and test it out. And sure enough, there's a $113 exact same product. Drops down to 89. Looks like that's the cheapest one here. This is probably why he's not making any sales. I'm sure people are interested in this, but they are not interested in a 2-month shipping time. So that being said, it only does take about a week and a half from where we get it from. So if we come in here at even 60 bucks, make 15 on each, we can charge $5 shipping, and we can do 1 week and a half shipping and keep people happy, and we would steal the market from this guy, and you might even be able to find it for a little bit cheaper than $40. Got a camo one there for 58. I'm sure we can find that, and that's probably also 100 bucks on eBay. So yet again, another entire niche to tap into, and there's just unlimited colors and variations of these planes. Let's try a really cheap drone here. Got one at, looks like $13. And looking at this is just insane. So we found a $14 drone going for 32. Sold over 3,000 of these. Yeah, and this guy's sold over what even is this? 6 million items sold is absurd. I mean, this is a enterprise. And it's mostly stuff coming from AliExpress. They add their own little photoshopped tag to it, and US seller, fast shipping from USA. They're getting all of this stuff from AliExpress, shipping it directly to you. Let's try something here. Just a different supplier is the only difference there, but 99 cents, $6. That's the same person with the 6 million items sold. Quite ridiculous, but you can see what they're doing and definitely get some ideas. Gonna be jumping into the next category here. We got some really cheap tiny mice here. Let's look for a little bit of a bigger one. Cheap mice, looks like they are a commodity. 15,000 of these are sold. That is actually unbelievable. We just found this for 99 cents. These little 99-cent ones are just seem to be flying off the shelf. Cheap. It's the exact same thing. Right there we just found the exact same thing this guy's running. Going for $9 on eBay, 99 cents here. That's the one we just saw. So they're getting it for $4.79. We found it here for $19. He sold 9 of them already. Right away we can see the 99-cent welcome deals, MSI. That's a pretty big brand name for computers. People definitely might be interested in that, so we're going to give that a shot. Try the MSI mouse pad. Aha, 10 centimeters is not good. The biggest one is $5 though. That's super cheap. Looks like mouse pads have a very good market here. Definitely a lot of different niche categories to tap into with this. There's a lot of different games or themes that you can post with these, so this gives you unlimited ammunition to be posting if you want to get into something like mouse pads or posters. Posters are very cheap. It's a very broad category to get into, but as you can see, $1 to $3 for these posters. These are easily $10, $15 in the US, and this gives you just literally thousands of different ones that you can post and drop ship. So you can win by quality or by quantity. Stick to a common theme with the things you post. You can do sports posters and build a store around that, and guarantee you can definitely make some money. These are more classic older posters, but that doesn't mean you can't post yours for $10 here and make a sale. And on top of that, you've got thousands of different posters you can find and post. So it gives you another idea of products you can put up. Fun hats. That sounds cool. Oh yeah, there we go. These make money. What on earth? That's going to conclude this episode. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.